Morning, guys. How we feeling? Morning, Dave, Daniel, Martin, Kevin, Raba, Fletcher, Albu. Oh, Albu, it looks like you were beat this morning, actually. Looks like you were beat here, brother. Well, we had... what do we have this morning? We have unemployment numbers. Is that what we had? Jobless claims? Looks like we kind of ripped off that. Yeah, normally Albu's the first post. He's probably in there an hour or two before the stream starts to make sure he gets that first post in there. I saw a lot of you in Discord are leaning towards the short side. I would just be very, very careful on the short side right now. With the Nvidia print yesterday and the pump off of jobless claims, I miss the entry too, Kev. Yeah, the market doesn't care about time. The market cares about price. Price and volume. Looks like we ripped off that 590 level that I was talking about yesterday. We are back above 800 right now. So what I'll be looking for off the open here is a pullback into this 800 level. Maybe a dip back down in here into like the 750s. 750 to 740 area. And a hold for the move back up. Morning, Mason. We are in a little resistance right here, but it's not major resistance. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here. You can see it is an area of interest. There's a couple tests here right where we're at. So what I would like to see is the pullback at least into 800 for the move up. But I'm not sure if we'll get that. We know how we act near all-time highs, and sometimes it's slow grind up. So I'll be patient here on the open. That'll be my read, though. Above here, my first target's going to be this 21,030 to 21,050 area. That'll be my first read. On the ES, the next major resistance I have is 59.86. And then above that for a potential second target would be above 6K, like 6,000... 6,005 area, 6,005 to 6,010. Is the YM ripping as well? Yes, the YM is ripping as well. Sorry guys, I haven't adjusted these levels on the YM in a little bit. I've been trading more than NAS recently. Something I'm a little more familiar with. I did notice TBM is not streaming today or tomorrow, so maybe we'll get some, maybe we'll get a little more viewers on the stream today. We are getting our first snowfall here in Louisville today. It is snowing outside right now. It's pretty cold here. Uranium is play. We trading commodities today. Yeah, guys, if you could, hit that thumbs up button for me. I did see we picked up a few new subs since yesterday. Yeah, Kev, it's snowing there too. Yeah, we're expecting some accumulation this evening. I'm not sure how much we'll get. I don't know that the ground's really cold enough to hold it either just yet. This is really the first day that we've had that's below freezing. I got my nephew flying in this afternoon as well. He'll be here for a week. And then my other nephew comes in tomorrow. Yeah, Kev, I just don't know if the ground's going to be cold enough yet, because we haven't been down in the 30s long enough. Let's see what we deal with here. I'm kind of hoping for the pullback. Markets are open, guys. Like a pullback down into this area is what I'm looking for. Anywhere from 740, and at that point I'll be looking to see if buyers step in. Let my nephews trade. I don't know about that. One is in high school and one is a college freshman. I don't know that they know anything about the markets at all. My one nephew that's in high school did ask me about it, but this was a couple months ago and I haven't heard anything about it from him since. I don't force anything on anybody. They have to take the initiative when it comes to trading. Yeah, I agree, Mason. It is the perfect time to start. Well, it looks like we're just going to rip, huh? Not even going to get a pullback. Just straight rip. Yeah, Dave, my sell button is deleted at this point. Until we get a pullback and a hole below a major former support, my sell button is deleted. Like we would need to see some major selling come in order for me to look at it at this point. We need to be firmly holding below this area. Anybody got any plans for the holidays? Spending time with family? I mean, that's what I'll be doing. Next week's going to be a little so generally what you see the week of Thanksgiving is light volume Wednesday. Obviously no trading on Thursday, or I don't know if the futures markets are open on Thursday or not. They might be. And then Friday is relatively low volume as well. So there might not be any streams Thursday and Friday for sure. But Wednesday is up in the air for me. I mean, I guess I could stream Friday if you guys wanted, but I don't know that I'll be doing any trading. All right, this is exactly what we wanted. This is the exact pullback that we wanted. It's a little early, though. That's my only concern here. All right, coming into 780. Nice and heavy. I still want lower. I told you guys I want in here somewhere. I want to see what happens in the sweep of this little low here. I mean, if it holds up and gets back above 800 and is holding above 800, I'll hop on the long. But I want to see deeper. Guys, I might be getting sick. Got that tickle in the back of the throat. Body temperature seems warm and cold and warm and cold. Yeah, Ollie, last like Christmas time, I got really sick. I was sick for like 3 weeks. Pretty volatile, guys, so be careful. Even sick Phoenix gets ignored. Morning, Phoenix. Sorry, that's the first post I've seen. I don't know that I ever got COVID either, Mason. I've never tested positive for it. And I definitely tested when I was really sick last Christmas, and it came up negative. So, yeah, Porch, you got kids running around the house. Our schools are a cesspool for viruses and whatnot. Nice sell-off here. You got 3 kids running around? Yeah. Yeah. That's, Mason DC2 just got the trade of a lifetime. From where? From 900. Yeah, I don't have a level up there. My level's 860 to 880. What a sell-off. Holy, I was not expecting this big of a dump. All right, let's this is pretty far extended. I wonder. All right, there's possible bounce spot here. Let's try and get a little something. Yikes. This is aggressive. I'm just going to take this L, guys. This thing is just moonshotting to the downside. I don't know what's going on here. We'll just take that L on the chin. Take that $400 L on the chin. I guess if I would have hung in, it would have been a winner, too. Once again. Alright, there's the reclaim. Holy volatility. What do you mean I'm short? Oh, yeah, I didn't even notice. Forgot to take my order off. Whoops. There goes a major loss. Thanks for warning, guys. Wasn't even paying attention. Wasn't even paying attention. Yeah, that's brutal. That's brutal. Back-to-back $400 losses there. Oh, man, I'm down 7-4. Luckily, it's on Combine. I was smart about it. It's not, like, real money. So I could just reset it. But, yeah, that's brutal. Yeah, that's funny. That hasn't happened in a long time. That has not happened in a long time. Oh, Ollie, that would have taken me out. From where that was located, let's see. Where's that short from? 77? What did this run up to? 704? Yeah, that would have been DLL. As it stands, I have $250 to play with right now. These down moves recently, I mean, 10 minutes wiped away the whole overnight buy-up. 10 minutes. Yeah, there's no read there. There's just, you're hoping you're short from the top, Ollie. Yeah. It's just straight dump. Alright. I've got $250. If not, I'll just reset this combine. It might take me a few minutes because I got to do it on a different monitor. So let's try this long here. And if it eats me, it eats me. Yeah, there's the DLL. Whoops. Oh, and of course it's gonna rip now. Just enough down to take me out and hit my DLL and then rip. Of course. Of course. I mean, guys, come on. Really? That would have been everything made back right there. Please tell me you guys saw that. The bottom tick DLL to the rip face winner. Please tell me you saw it. Please tell me. Oh, that's classic. Classic. Just give me a minute, guys. I'm going to reset this. Oh, that's so classic. Actually, I should probably just purchase another one. Because technically that combine's not gone. I'll just start stacking these XFAs. No, Ollie, the issue was me putting that, having the short on and not noticing it. Just not fully awake yet. But yeah, that hasn't happened in a long time. A long time. I don't know if I want to trade a funded with the volatility right now, though. That's a problem. Oh yeah, of course. It almost got there. My target was right here at 750. It almost got the full target. I already made that money back if it would have kept me in the trade. That's wild. Oh, that's wild. Yeah, that's rough. Well, only 100 points from my entry. Oh, Ollie, the volatility will settle down. It'll settle down at some point today, too. Oh, nice, Jose. You caught the long as well? Yeah, I mean, the selling recently just appears to be like headline fear driven. So I don't expect it to hold. I expect there to be some stabilization. Like all the down moves have been rapid and violent and very short-lived. And then it bottoms out and then it starts to recover. I mean, there's very few days where it just, like last Friday, where it just nuked to the downside. But I know I won't be on my funded account because of like what just happened there. Granted, it was my fault. Had I had the drawdown, I would have still been in that trade, well, and been done for the day. Been to consistency, but trading a funded account in this type of environment is not ideal. Yeah, sometimes catching those falling knives is massive. Big profits. Oh no, you over leveraged, Jose? Yeah, Ollie. I mean, it's like yesterday when I had the 501 entry and mismanaged the trade. I mean, guys, yesterday I had the long from right here. Think about that. Yeah, Jose, that's awesome though. 1300 by accident. But I was long from right here and got stopped out break even because I mismanaged my trade. This one, I was long from right here and it did one of these little wick things and got me out of the trade. I mean, luckily it's on Combine, so it's not like a huge deal, but um so I'm not overly concerned about it. All right, give me a second. It looks like the new account is there. All right, we back. We trading. Yeah, Mason, it's been it got me. I mean, I made it. What did I make last night though? $1,000. You know, it's not like. I mean, that's what happened just now though. Has never happened on a live stream before. That's for not yet, at least. That was a first. That was a first. Music stopped? Uh-oh. Palmetto. Give me a second here. I got you. Is it back? Let me know, chat. I accidentally closed out of my browser, which is where the music's playing from. 50% of, well, Ollie, you can have 50% of nothing. I mean, that's what we're earning from YouTube right now. We did pick up a few new subs on the overnight, though. Happy about that. I'm not sure what to do here. Ollie, you know an idea to gain more subs that doesn't contain clothing? All right, I know this feels extremely heavy here. However, if we hold this area right here, I think I'm going to be trying the long. It looks like ES is trying to hold 59.30. News in 30 seconds? Yeah. What is it? What is the news? Retail sales? Home sales? Let's see if we want to chase overnight lows here first before I do anything. Unless we get back above 680, I won't be long. Switching it up. But I still have a long bias really until we get below 590 here. If we get below 590, I might be looking short side. Sheesh, price is whipping around. There was a 200 block order I saw down there. Just YOLO, Andrew. Yeah, 200 block here at 13. At 613. Just got taken and swept. And now there's one at just above 600. I'm not sure how big it is. I haven't taken it yet. Later, Fletcher. Nice job. All right, guys, we swept new lows. We're kind of starting to hold up a little bit. I kind of like them to quickly sweep overnight lows down here and see if we can get the quick reclaim. But I don't know if we get there. Looks like we're trying to hold the top edge of my support zone here. Still hasn't taken that block. I mean, where is that block sitting at? Is it right on 600? It is right on 600. me see what we got hanging out lower. Got more to the downside. There we go, finally. This thing is just nuking. All right, I'm stopped out. Let's delete that order at this rate. I tried it, but it never got the recovery. And honestly, I should have been watching ES. ES still has about 4 more points to the downside before it hits any kind of support area. Yeah, I don't know if we get there, Martin. I'm not sure. I think this is probably the hold area. I mean, if buyers are going to hold. Oh, what do you know? Another winner gone. That's so dumb. So dumb. Yeah, I can see Discord, Martin. I see it. Yeah, me too, Dave. I'm definitely leaning long side now. This is a little extended to the downside. In fact, I'm going to try it. We'll trade it like I normally would here. I'll let it breathe, put the stop below the other extreme, and we'll see what happens. I've been over managing my trades lately. And if I take the stop out, I take the stop out. Morning, Jack. All right, we are break even. We're going to stop below these wicks at this point. Stop below this wick. And bang, I'm out. All right, there's a, let's see, how much was that? Let's see, I took a $400 loss, so that was a $1,400 trade. And that's why I do what I normally do and why I've been, Hey, Ride the Wave. Welcome, brother. That's generally why I manage the trades the way that I do, or why I did in the past, and what I've been making the huge mistake on is not... I've been over-managing my trades, and it's been biting me in the butt. But that was typical. We had the reclaim, get long from the top extreme, stop just below the other extreme. Yeah, everything was lining up there, Palm. You had overnight lows. You had the quick sweep. You had support. Everything was lined up there. Everything was lined up there. We'll see what happens up here at VWAP. I got VWAP at 712 right now. Oh, geez, Dave. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. There's no ICT 15-minute order block on my charts. Where's Nimkins at? Oh, Kev, you're saying the TikTok indicator's up till 1050? So more upside? Yeah, we got VWAP sitting just above current price, so I'll be watching that. He is the Hall of Shame. The Hall of Shame. Yeah, Kev, his call out yesterday. Oh, just wait till tomorrow, guys. I've got a special treat in store for Nimkins on Trading with the Boys. I've got a special treat in store. I'm not going to tell anybody what it is. Mason's the only one who knows what it is. But... but it's going to be funny. Man, some of you guys see the volatility and just get trigger happy, huh? No, Nimin, I hit a $1,400 trade. Well, let's keep things in perspective here, Ollie. I did, well, I really messed up on the previous one. So technically on the session, I'm only up $400. Wow, that's never happened to me before. See, that's where streaming like comes into play. Is I was looking at the chat, reading the chat, like scrolling through the chat at that point, and was not paying any attention to my chart because my chat and my charts are on two separate monitors. So like I have to look over to my left in order to see the chat, and then my charts are over here. And then I have like even over further to my left over here, I've got my OBS set up and Discord and everything. So there's a lot going on still. Yeah, Mason, you said it. I hope everyone is making bank today. I mean, was I the only one who got wrecked early? All right, I don't mind the long here. Let's give it a shot. All right, we're just not seeing the follow through, so I might bail on this position, but I still like the longs. I wanted to see the push back up through 700 pretty quickly. So I'm going to go to break even at this point. Make sure we lock something in here. Make sure I do this time and I don't mess it up. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh, you gotta be joking. Oh, come on. Are you joking? What did I miss that by? One tick? What did I miss? Oh, Mason's chanting for all-time highs right now. I mean, come on. Are you serious? That would have been, wow. Missed it by 2 ticks. I mean, that would have been the consistency there. Two ticks and then smack. Man, the downside is violent today, guys. Really violent. I mean, motivation, higher time frame on the SPY they are. They're trapped. Yeah, this still just feels like panic selling to me. I mean, what is this candle? This 1 5-minute candle here is what? 798 all the way down to 620. So we're talking, or what is this? 630. So 800 to 630. 150.5-minute candle to the downside. I mean, you can't even survive that. If you were long up here, you can't even survive that on a 1 mini 150K. No survival. I mean, but every time it's come down into this 590 to 600 area, not just today, but over the last week, the selling's just got absorbed here. All right, it's below 590. Let's see if it reclaims. Yeah, at this point, it's delete the buy button. Dave, it's like Euro dance music. I don't know what's playing. We kind of just throw tracks on there. I don't hear the music on my end. Does it feel like you're in the club or at a rave or something? I don't know what's going on. I don't hear the music on my end. Dance on sprockets. I mean, do you want me to change it? I can change it. I don't know what's on there. It's 90s porn music, Andrew. Is that what's going on? Yeah. I mean, it's just copyright free tracks that we throw on there. Yep. Yeah, I saw it get Martin, I did see that 550 block. I saw it get taken. All right, IBL is now set. Yeah, I mean, the only big blocks are to the downside right now. In fact, that's the last one that I see, really. Once 500 gets swept, I don't really see a lot below it. So I don't know if those are just people trying to get out of their short positions there, or if it's actual buy orders. All right, I only need about 20 more points here. I'm expecting a kick up here a little bit. Before we actually get the push. Like if this 2-minute candle, it's already getting the push. A little late. I was looking at the reclaim inside of the, and with this candle closing inside the second standard deviation from VWAP, and playing that bounce back into support to get my 20 points, but it looks like it's taken off without me. Sheesh. Look at this IB range, guys. 903 to 523. Almost a 400 point initial balance range on the NAS. I don't know that I've ever seen an IB that's that... I don't know that I've ever seen one that big, Palm. I really don't. $600 something. Oh, the in carry trade. Yeah, I could see that. I mean, I do expect it to come back up here and test overnight lows at some point. What happens when we get there, I'm not sure. I mean, we kind of saw what happened yesterday. You know, massive, heavy sell-off and the complete recovery. Oh, viewership's actually pretty good today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button. I'm sure most of you have. Also, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button. If some of you haven't joined the free Discord level up yet, there is a link in the description below the video. Tomorrow we will have Trading with the Boys with Palmetto, DJP, and Nimkins on. Time is it? It's like 10, almost 10:40 right now. Looks like I missed my buy opportunity. Let's see what happens here at 590. This is kind of a key level. If we get the reclaim and the hold above, I would expect a range type day where we probably come back up into here. Up into 700. Well, wanted nothing to do with 590. Huge smack. 50 point smack immediately. Well, I'm gonna try the short here. Let's try the IB break. I only need 20 points. I'm not gonna give it above this candle though, the body of this candle. They're really trying to hold this up right now, aren't they? Selling is kind of dying off here. Of course, I get involved right when it starts chopping a little bit. If this candle closes above my entry or doesn't sweep the lows of this candle, I'll probably kill this thing. Rather than eating the loss. A huge loss. What was I green for about a split second there? Oh my goodness. Of course. Of course I try to short it right when it's balancing out. Top Step rule change just announced. What's the rule change? Let's take a look at it. Uh-oh. That definitely affects me. Oh, I don't like that at all. Guys. Yeah, that's a massive change. So it says, starting today, we're making updates to our program for all live funded traders. Live funded traders cannot trade express funded accounts at the same time. Traders with a live account cannot start any new express funded accounts. Active express funded accounts can still be traded, but may be transitioned to the trader's live account. Trading combines that are passed will be placed on hold and will not be eligible for XFAs. Live funded traders can still test strategies and practice using trading combine and practice accounts. Active XFAs are monitored by TopStat's risk managers. If a decision is made to close any remaining XFA, risk managers will contact the trader. Traders will have the opportunity to take a payout before the remaining balance is added to their live funded account balance. Yeah, I'm not going to trade my live account on the stream, guys. That's not going to happen. Yeah, that's not going to happen. So I would assume after today, I'm not going to, like, I just wasted, what did I waste there? $100 because I purchased 2 combines? Yikes. Yeah, I guess MFFU, maybe? I have a feeling this is going to be where they're all going, though. I think they're all going to... Yeah, I think they're all going to be forcing people to live accounts. Which makes sense. I'm actually shocked that they haven't gone there prior. But that's a massive change for me. So that means all my XFAs, they're going to give me a chance to withdraw, it looks like. But then they're going to move any remaining balance into my live account. Yeah, that's I don't know how to feel about that. I mean, it makes sense from their perspective why they would do that, right? Like, they don't want to keep paying on non-real money, right? Like, because that's how they do payouts on XFAs, because technically it's just paper trading. So it makes sense on their end. But I don't like broadcasting a live funded account while streaming. You know, my live account has a decent sized balance, and now it's going to be even larger. So I'm probably going to be pulling out as much money as I possibly can from my XFAs today. In other words, it's payday. But these two combines that I have now are relatively useless. So you guys literally saw me blow $100 today. That is what the stream was. I might actually reach out to them and be like, hey, I purchased these combines before you made this announcement. Yeah, Palmetto, it's looking like I'm only going to have one Top Step account. It looks like they're going to be merging my accounts. It looks like they're going to be rolling over my balances for my XFAs into my live funded account is what they're going to do after I'm able to take a withdrawal. So I might be reaching out to customer service today to see if they will just refund my combines. Yeah, that's brutal. All right, guys. Well, with that, I've got some things to do. I need to probably end the stream there. And wow, that put a I mean, we definitely veered left there real quick. Martin, real quick, Martin, thanks for the heads up, because I wouldn't have seen that until after, and I'd have still been trading this thing, and there's no point in trading this this combine. 0 point in trading this combine. All right, guys. Well, I'll be back 9:20 a.m. tomorrow Eastern for Trading with the Boys. If you haven't yet, hit that thumbs up button for me on the video. And I'm finishing the day up. What am I up? Oh, $600. Well, no, technically I'm flat on the day if you include the 1,000 that I lost on the previous combine. So I'm pretty much flat on the day, but I did hit a $1,400 trade. So good luck the rest of the way. No, Martin, you're all good, brother. I appreciate the heads up. It's not your fault. There's nothing. It's not like it's bad news. It's just we have to reassess what we're doing with the content. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, that's the only thing it really affects. It doesn't affect me or my personal money or anything like that. But yeah, it's definitely, we have to. In fact, I should probably get on a call with Mason here to tell you the truth. So, good luck the rest of the way. Be smart, stay patient, and we'll see you tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern for Trading with the Boys. Peace.